You guys, it's Naturally Unique, and I'm coming to you guys because I did tell you guys that I would come and upload the results of the roller set. Honestly, I'm really surprised. I won't lie, I really am surprised because I was expecting a lot worse. I do see spots where I could have did like a better job, or I could have put more of the foam on it and maybe got it a little more. I'm not looking for silky straight, but I'm just looking for more like a texture straight look. But this came out, this really did surprise me. I didn't know what to expect, but I'll let you guys see it. Now the only thing I would say that probably could change our outcome of the roller set would probably be what we're rolling it up with, like our foam or satin lotion that we use, because you know our hair is not processed, so it's not going to stay straight. And whatever we're using, I guess we got to be careful not to get something that would make it curly. And honestly, this right here did make my hair a little curly. But again, like, I really do like the look. I haven't straightened my hair since I cut it, so you know this is just a shocker to me anyway. So I am going to rock this today, and then tonight I'm going to attempt to wrap it, and in the morning I'm going to see how it turns up if we were to wrap this. And that's going to be the real test. And if it don't come out right, hey, it'll just be a learning experience, you know, trial and error. But anyway, just showing you guys how it will come out on your 4C hair if you decide to roller set it. And I didn't pull it out or anything. You can see my hair is still curly. But no, I didn't pull it out much. Once I took the rollers out, pretty much I just oiled it by doing, you know, by putting it on my hands and doing like this. And I just pulled it over to the next curl. Some of the curls, the frizzier curls, I left like they were after I oiled them and just rolled it back up with my finger. But most of them I just pulled down like that. Now, if you want a curlier look, a big curly volumized look, you can oil it and then just pull each one apart into like maybe like 3 curls. Now the only thing I'm going to do is add a little something to my edges, because you guys know how my edges be. I'm going to get this right here. Okay. And of course right here. And if I didn't mention it in the first video, I did set under the dryer for like an hour. I took out the rollers that were dry, left the ones in that weren't dry, and I set them in there for like another 15 minutes. And then everything was dry. You want to be very careful how big you roll it, because if you roll it really large, then you're going to set under the dryer way longer than an hour if you have 4C texture. I'm going to go ahead and let you know now. So roll it as small as you can. If you can roll it even smaller than what I did, then go ahead and do that. That way you don't have to be under the dryer all day. But the reason I rolled it the size I did, because that was how many rollers I had, and I wanted to make sure that I had enough rollers. All right. Just shake. Got a little body. Loosen it up a little bit. And here's our look. And you can just play with it and style it up how you want to style it. In the front, me, you know, I'm not big on all that, so I'm just going to leave it like this, honestly. Rock it like that. Well, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to rate, subscribe, and comment if you have questions, or if you know a product that'll give us a better outlook than what we got when we took the rollers out. This isn't bad, but if you know something that'll make it come out better, just comment and let me know. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.